everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my choreography to Love Shack by the B-52s. This is about an advanced beginner level dance, maybe beginner / advanced beginner. So, if you don't know some of the steps in this dance, I would recommend going and finding my Tap Step Tutorials playlist that I have linked in my description box below. Also, I posted the short where I do this dance with music earlier this week. I posted on Tuesday. So once you're done learning the dance here, if you want to do this dance with music, go ahead and find that link in the description box below as well. So learn the dance here and then go ahead and do it with music with that short. And like I said, most of these steps should be in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist that I have linked below as well. So let's go ahead and get started. And if ever I'm going too fast through anything, or you just need a moment for things to kind of process, just know that you can always pause, rewind, and slow down the video. Okay, so we're gonna get started here. So we're gonna start with 2 flap heels, and we're gonna start on the right foot. So it's gonna go flap, heel, right, left. And then we're going to do 2 flap double heels. Same thing, right, left. And now we're going to do 2 Broadways, right, left. So nice and simple. Everything so far is in 2s, right, and then left. So Broadway starts on the right foot. Okay, let's do that again. Flap, heel, flap, heel, flap, heel, heel, flap, heel, heel. Broadway right, Broadway left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap. Heel. And it's a nice straight 8 count or 8th rhythm on the Broadway. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. From there we finished. We're going to do some shuffle step heels. So starting on the right foot, we're going to go shuffle step heel, and then we're going to do the same thing on the left. So right foot, shuffle step heel, left, shuffle step heel. Back to right, we're going to go shuffle and then 3 step heels. So shuffle on the right. Here's step heel 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's again shuffle, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. So put that together with the first 2, shuffle, step, heel, right, left, and then the triple on the right. Let's give that a try. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle, 2. Nice. Now we're going to kind of repeat that on the left side, but we're going to end it a little bit differently than what we did on the right side. So starting on the left foot, shuffle, step, heel. And then the right, same thing. And then this time we're going to do a shuffle with just 2 step heels, left, right, and then we're going to finish it with a stomp on our left. Okay, so the second time through, it's left, right, left, step, heel, stomp. Okay? Let's put the whole thing together from the top, from the flap heel. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double, Broadway. Shuffle, step, heel. Shuffle, step, heel. Good. Good. From here, we're going to do a waltz clog, or a couple of them. So we're actually going to start on the right foot with these. We're going to do 1 on the right, 1 on the left. We're going to go step, step, shuffle, ball change, step, shuffle, ball change. And then because they are in a triplet time step, 1 and 2, 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. They end on 6, so we need 7, 8. We're going to do a cramp roll in the middle here on the right foot. Okay, so that's 1, 2, cramp roll. And then we're going to jump right back into that again to do that again one more time. Good. From here, we're going to do some drawbacks. We're going to do 4 drawbacks starting on the right foot. So we'll go right, left, right, left. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to go toe heel or tip heel. And then we're going to stomp on the right foot. Okay, so again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to do the exact same thing of that starting now on the left foot. So left foot now goes 1, 2, 3, 4, tip heel stomp on the left. Okay, so we just finished our last shuffle, step heel, stomp. We're going to go into the waltz clog on the right. Cramp roll again. Draw back. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. From here, we're going to go into some triple time steps. We're going to do 2 of them, right and then left. So we just finished on a stomp. So we're going to have to also bring that right foot forward and go into a stomp as well. So triple time step right, left, and then we're going to do the double Irish time step. That one is not in my tap step tutorials playlist. That's actually going to be in, or all of these are going to be in my time step tutorials playlist. So on the right side, we're going to do a double Irish time step. We're going to go stomp, hop, shuffle, step, and then Irish on the left, Irish right, and then full lap step. And we'll go down in a stomp because that's what we're going to be using it for next. Okay, so triple time step for 2, right, left, and double Irish. From here, we're going to do the full beginning of the shim sham, where we go stomp, swing, step, and then stomp, swing, ball change. Same thing on the right. And again, from the side, that's stomp, swing, step, and right foot. And that one's also not in my tap step tutorials playlist. That's actually going to be part of the shim sham playlist. All right, so we just finished. So we're going to use that right foot. We're going to go stomp, step, step, and that's forward, back, back. Same thing on the left. So we just went stomp, step, step, same left. Shuffle, ball change on the right. And then same thing again, we're going to repeat it, stomp, step, step on the right, left, shuffle, ball change. Okay, let's do the dance. No music, obviously, in this video, but we're going to do the dance up to tempo. I'm going to talk you through it, and this is just a way for us to kind of practice it before we try it up to tempo without me talking us through it, okay? So here we go, second to last time from the very top, from those full lap heels. And here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double. Broadway. Shuffle, step, heel. Left, good. Shuffle, step, heel, stomp. Waltz, clog. Cramp roll. Draw back for 4. Time step. Good Irish. Shim sham. Stomp, step, step. Shuffle, ball change. And then you can do a little slide at the end if you like. Nicely done. All right, up to tempo. I'm not going to talk us through it this time. This is the final time. Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. All right. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.